I don't want peace.
It's okay.
I want violence. I don't want peace. That's what we're not I want violence.
Put
It's
that,
like
put
you
that,
want
put
to
that,
treat
put
your
that.
fuck up now. Fuck up. Take you to a town or come fireable. I don't want to take you to where I go. Violence. Violence. You. Papa, you will hear me. Pack it. Package them. You can't take them carry belly. Imagine.
You can be prosecuted for that.
Give me the money. I bet you put it. I won't buy this one.
Will you get out? No, try me this morning, no.
Think say they're wise.
Wait, I thought you came here. Allow them to attend to me finish.
What you going to be doing? You going to get who? See that? Give me that one.
Give you what? What? Stop, man. Stop this. I thought you came here. Allow them to attend to me. One after the other. Look at you like a parable. You are blabber. I don't want peace.
It's okay.
I want violence. I don't want peace. That's what we're not I want violence.
Put
It's
that,
like you
put
want
that,
to
put
treat
that.
your fuck up now. Fuck up. Take you to a town or come fireable. I don't want to take you to where I go. Violence. Violence. You will treat your fuck up. Young man, sorry. I don't come here to find trouble. Settle me, make I dey go. Just imagine if you even carry 1 naira to buy what you want to buy here.
Our mumu not too much.
No problem.
Poverty all over you. Poverty.
I agree.
How much is total?
That is that's 150,000.
You be mumu.
150,000.
This Martin. It's okay. I'm not talking to you. Don't you? I cannot pay my bill. I can pay my bill. I will shock you. Just imagine this little rat. Very cut like a pastor. Take. I get money. Yes.
I said 150,000. You're giving me 150 naira.
Oh, you mean 150,000?
Yes, sir.
Not 50 naira.
No,
Oh,
not 50 naira.
where I keep that money? Even me with my shoe to that 150,000.
This bag where you carry 150,000.
Okay, forget bag. You don't know what it is inside bag. Na packaging.
No.
Life na packaging. This John, I feel like say you go pack your clothes and go. You don't get money to spend like this. Okay, give me my money. What is that 50,000?
What? Why are you running?
How much is this money?
Just look at his eyes.
No.
Give me anything. Young man, come.
Me?
Just give
What are you calling me
me.
for?
I want to pay for you.
I want to just imagine you pay my bills.
Oh, I cannot pay for you.
Just imagine you.
Nope.
Let me prove him wrong. That is not all those big men that make noise.
That's just foolish shows.
Give me your account number.
With borrowed suit. I know you borrowed this suit. This is not yours.
Okay, sir.
Pay my
Have
bill,
you
let me
seen
see.
it?
Yeah, I'm seeing
Pay my bill, let me see.
Keep quiet. Yeah, give it to him. Let me see what are inside. Let me see those things.
You mean he has paid for me?
Oh, my
Let me say, I saw something inside.
Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí. Mo jìyà lọ, you will move out.
Thank you, test. So you want drink small? Thank you, Oga.
You be mumu.
Now you said me, na 50,000. Thank you.
But regard to your
Papa,
family.
you will hear me. Pack it, you will hear me.
Come. Where are you taking that to?
It is my girlfriend, sir.
Girlfriend! I know they pay for woman. That's what I say. I like violence. No, leave it. I know they pay game. Wait for this. I like violence. Yeah, give me the go. Give me. What go for this?
Is God.
I go pay. I go carry on the go out.
Oga, please now. Oga, please.
If you not go for here, I go call my mofo.
Our mumu not too much.
I can't say don't carry me.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.